Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please consider subscribing to my channel, and if you have already done, thank you so much. It just means a lot to me. So today I'm going to show you my Nykaa recommendations. So Nykaa is running with a sale. It's called Hot Pink Sale, if I'm not wrong. Yeah. So you have 2 days to shop, and let's get started with our video. I have all the recommendations in my phone. So हम शुरू करते हैं recommendations से. So the first thing we will हम पहले मेकअप करेंगे and then उसके बाद हम स्किन केयर पे जाएंगे. So let's get started with our first product, which is the primer. So I have this Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer, and it retails for rupees 450 in sale. It has a 40% off. So right now मुझे यही दिख रहा है. So it has the 40% off. So I love this product और मैं इसे ट्राई करना चाहूँगी ज़रूर, बिकॉज मैंने बहुत सारे लोगों को देखा है, इसकी बहुत ज़्यादा हाइप है. So this product is my first recommendation. Now the second recommendation is I also use this. It's Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I have a mini pack. So I'm trying this and मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है ये coverage. And this is the second recommendation which I will recommend you. It's Maybelline Fit Me foundation. So let's move to the third product. So third we have a highlighter. I don't do like a blush. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं लगाती हूँ, and I am like मैं लिपस्टिक से ही blush लगाती हूँ. So third recommendation for the highlighter is the Swiss Beauty Drop and Glow highlighter. I'm in मुझे लाइट ब्राउन शेड काफ़ी पसंद आया इसका. इट रिटेल्स फॉर 279 रुपीज़. सो दिस इज़ द परफेक्ट कॉम्बिनेशन to be like put on your face with this foundation. So it will give you an illuminator sort of look. So this can be used as an illuminator. So I love this, and this is my next recommendation for you all. So let's move to the fourth recommendation of this video, and that is the Master Chrome highlighter from Maybelline. So I love this highlighter. Actually, I'm a big fan of this highlighter. I have seen people raving about it, and the hype is like fully worth it, and I have used it once in my life, and I love this, and I'm going to purchase this highlighter for sure. So let's move to fifth product. So fifth product I have obviously a beauty sponge. So मेरा काफ़ी गंदा है क्योंकि मैंने आज भी इससे मेकअप किया है. So you can see. So mine is this one, and I purchased it from a local market. It cost me around rupees 80. And yeah, fifth recommendation in the Nykaa, we have this Boson Professional Pink Unlimited Classic Beauty Blender Makeup Sponge. So this is what you can go and buy it. It's slightly pricey, like 160 rupees, but you can get it in a local market for around 80 rupees. So you can go and check it on local market nearby your home. So let's move on to the seventh makeup recommendation, which is Lakme Insta Eyeliner. It retails for 130 rupees. इसमें अभी मुझे कोई सेल नहीं दिखा रहा है, but I love this liner. मैंने इसे भी यूज़ किया हुआ है, and like in my initial days, बहुत पहले जब मैं शायद छोटी बच्ची थी तब मैंने यूज़ करते हुए देखा है, and इसे यूज़ भी किया है. So I love this, and it was the hype. You have to give it a try. बहुत अच्छा है ये. लिपस्टिक पे चलते हैं, and here is the another recommendation. I forgot the number of the recommendation. So here is the another recommendation. It's by Nykaa, and it's Nykaa So Cream, and the shade name is Let It Snooze. So बहुत सुंदर a nude shade है, nude brown shade है, जो मुझे बहुत पसंद है actually, nude brown shade. So this is my next recommendation, and let's move on to फिर से lipstick, and this one is Cinnamon Crunch buy mini lipsticks. It's Nykaa So Matte Mini Lipsticks, and I love this color. It's a pinkish nudish color, so मुझे pink nude है ये, and बहुत अच्छा है. The price point is 170 rupees, so 170 rupees for the lipstick I think is worth it. So next recommendation is this, and if you purchase anything from this recommendation video, please comment करना, मुझे नीचे बताना कि आपने क्या खरीदा है. Let's move to skincare now. So the first skincare I'm going to show you is Caffeine का coffee face mask. As you all know, ये मुझे बहुत पसंद है, and I'm just going to buy the big tub of it, and here is the picture of the big tub, and बहुत सुंदर लगता है, बहुत, like इसकी smell is so good. Let me, like ऐसा लगता है चॉकलेट खाई हो, सीरियसली बहुत अच्छी स्मेल है इसकी. एंड दिस इज गोइंग टू लाइक पूरा ख़त्म ही हो चुका है, एक बार का भी यूज़ का नहीं है इसमें. सो आई एम गोइंग टू बाय द नेक्स्ट this, and this is a recommendation. I mean, you will love it. If you love coffee and chocolate wala smell, you will love this face mask, and just trust me and buy this. I'd say ये इतना अच्छा है. So let's move to the next recommendation, which is Caffeine का coffee face scrub, and मेरा पूरा खाली हो चुका है. Can you see this? नहीं है. And this is the next recommendation. I will say it retails for 350 rupees. मैं इधर इसका पिक्चर लगा दूंगी. And this is like बहुत अच्छा है, इसके particles बहुत छोटे छोटे हैं. I have like a full dedicated video on Caffeine के 3-4 products पे, so you can go and check it out. I will link it up here, so just go and check it out. So in the top 10 में जो last recommendation है वो ये है. It's Garnier Micellar Water, and I love this. मैंने इसे एक बार यूज़ किया है. Can you see this? तो मैंने एक बार इसे यूज़ किया है जब से ये आया है, एंड आई एम इन लव. मैंने पहले भी इसे यूज़ किया है, तो ये मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, एंड आई थिंक यू शुड गो एंड जस्ट बाय दिस. इट रिटेल्स फॉर ₹200, so just go and buy this, grab it. So the next recommendation I have is lip product, which is baby lips. I have a baby lip, like वो अभी है नहीं मेरे पास, कहीं पड़ी होगी घर में. So the next recommendation मैं इधर पिक्चर डाल दूंगी of the baby Maybelline New York baby lips, and I love this. It has a slightly pink effect. It's cherry blush. मेरे पास भी यही शेड है, and बहुत अच्छा लगता है. अगर मैंने उससे फीचर किया है अपनी फेवरेट्स वाले वीडियो में, तो मैं ऊपर लिंक छोड़ दूंगी प्लेलिस्ट का, आप देख सकते हो जाके कि कैसा क्या टेंट है उसका. So I love this lip balm, and let's move to the bonus products of this video. So I have this Swiss Beauty Unlimited eyeshadow palette. It's number 2, and I love this palette. Actually, I'm going to buy this very soon in this sale only. I'm just today placing the order of this eyeshadow palette. बहुत अच्छा लगता है ये. So actually मार्केट में ये मिलता नहीं है, because the color scheme is so nice कि मार्केट में आउट ऑफ स्टॉक रहता है ये. So just if it's in stock, please grab it. बहुत अच्छा है. Guys, this is my recommendations for Nykaa Hot Pink Sale. If you like it, please like कर देना इस वीडियो को, सब्सक्राइब कर देना मेरे चैनल को, और शेयर कर देना अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ. I will meet you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.